In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check who actually didn't accepted your Instagram friend request. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And the first of you need to open up Instagram app. Once it is done, tap right here to go to your Instagram profile page. Then tap these three horizontal lines to go to Settings and Activity, and then enter the top Add Account Center. Now guys, add Meta Account Center. We need to add your information and permissions right here. After that, tap Add to download your information. This is the only way how we can check who didn't accept our Instagram friend request. Now guys, first we need to tap and download or transfer information. Here. Then select your Instagram account and hit Next. After that, select some of your information. And on the next step, you need to scroll down until under Connections. We'll find Followers and Following. Select this option and then hit Next here. As you can see, Download to Device is selected, and you should keep it selected here. We just need to tap at Next. And now on that next step, we can select Date Range by default. It is set to last year, however. We can change it to whatever date range we want. We can choose from last week up to all time, or even custom, so if you just wanna check your friend request for a custom date range. Hit Edit and then set Start Time and then set Start Date and End date. And basically now here, we shouldn't change anything else. We just need to tap right here at Create Files, and that will all start creating file that contains all the necessary data. Keep in mind that it may take maybe 10 or 20 minutes, and you should wait for it until it is done. Now we are taken to download your information section. As you can see and hear, we can see that our current request is in progress. However, I recently created the same request, and now you can see how it looks like when it is ready for downloading. So now we just need to tap a download button. That will ask us to enter our Instagram password to confirm that it's us. I'm just gonna autofill it and hit Cantina. And now, as you can see, we are taken to the Safari web browser, where we are prompted to just download that file. We just need to double right here at Download, and it will automatically save it directly to our device as we selected. Now we need to open our files up on our iPhone's device. Maybe if you are on an Android, you need to open up. The update is called in the same way, like Files or maybe File Manager. And then if we go to the folder, which is called on my iPhone, by default, Safari saves all the files here at Downloads folder. And that's where we can easily find this zip archive. Now first off, we need to unarchive this file. To do that, we just need to tap right here, and that will unarchive it into a folder. Now we can get Indeed, and after that, we need to open up Connections folder, and then Follower and Follow. Now guys, we can see different files such as blocked accounts, close friends, and others. Let's say I can open up blocked accounts here. As you can see, I have just one account blocked, and that's where I can check it. However, unfortunately, I don't have any follow request that is not accepted yet. But if you have at least one of them right here, you will find the file which is called Pending Follow Request. You'll be able to tap at that file, and that will show you all the users whom you send to follow request and who don't accept them. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.